So hello and welcome everybody. Myself CMS Ankit Pandit. So how are you all? I hope everybody is fine, safe and doing well. So from yesterday night, so many messages are coming, so many calls are coming that please make a video, give a rough idea. ये क्या हो गया? Hi Toba, and also I thought I should come and I should discuss question paper pattern which is introduced by the institute. Yes, if there are any suggestions, please put it in the comment box. Surely we will provide it to the institute whatever your suggestions are there, but my sincere request, एक बार देख तो लेते हैं, then you provide. There are lot of things that you might not be aware, and after the video you might get a rough idea. Okay, so the paper will be of 100 marks. The time allowed will be 3 hours. There are section A, B, C, D. There are 4 sections. Okay, first two are mostly MCQ and fill in the blanks, A and B. Okay, so there is a locking period, there is a time limit that A and B section should be completed within a maximum of 50 minutes. Okay, now what is A and B section we will see, but now there are section A, B, C, D. 4 sections are there. A and B will be fill in the blank and MCQ, and C and D will be numerical or whatever is there. Okay, but just remember one thing, that A and B section, that is MCQ and fill in the blank wala section, will have a locking period, or the maximum time allowed will be 50 minutes. So what is there in section A? Section A is completely MCQs. The question is given, there are 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to select whatever option is correct and you have to click. Is it clear? You are required to answer all the questions. So this question is compulsory. All the questions you need to solve. Each question will carry 1 mark. Okay, so you just have to click, no reasoning, nothing. Just click and you will get the marks. Each question is followed by 4 answer of choices and the only one is correct. You are required to select the choice which according to you represents the correct answer. Okay, so these are 20 MCQ questions. MCQ 100% MCQ questions. Is it clear? Yes. So वो 20 marks हो गया section A. Now section B. This is also of 20 marks. So what is there in section B? Most probably it is somewhat true or false. It is somewhat fill in the blank. Fill in the blank, true or false is there as far as intermediate is concerned, or a normal numerical of 1 mark can be given to you. This is also of 1 mark each, and I think there are 20 questions. True or false and fill in the blank type questions are only there. Here it's just like you have to type जो आंसर है, there are no 4 options given. You just have to type, like it's for example 14 July, so you just have to type 14 July 2021. That's it. One thing, there is a color code given. The blue portion which is there, that you have to type. Rest all the black portion which is there, it will be given by the institute itself. So 20 MCQs you have to solve, 20 fill in the blanks or 1 mark numerical or true or false will be there. So 40 marks is completely MCQ. We can say just fill in the blank, यानी एक लाइन लिखना है. ट्रू है तो ट्रू है, ट्रेड है तो ट्रेड है, एक एक वर्ड 4-4-5-5 वर्ड लिखना है, तो इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज MCQ. Obviously you can tell your thoughts in the comment box. So out of 100, 40 marks is over. It is completely, we can say, mostly MCQ, right? Then we have section C, section A and B, that 40 MCQs I am telling for your understanding, 20 MCQs and 20 fill in the blanks and all. It will have a lock-in period. So 50 minute mein, within 50 minutes you have to solve that 2 sections, right? Now we come to section C. So in section C, you are required to answer any 4 out of 6. So 6 questions will be there, you have to answer any 4. Okay, and 40 marks is there. So 10 mark का एक question. Now that question might be divided into A and B. A 6 mark का, B 4 mark का. I can see here that the first question 3A will be of 6 marks. Now see, this is the question. This will be given by the institute, right? This table is also given by the institute. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also given by the institute. You just have to write this blue. Profit was overstated by rupees 2000. What was the effect of that on the balance sheet? You just have to type this blue wala part. You don't need to make any somewhere telling that paint में से या excel में से column बनाने पड़ेंगे, nothing. You have to just write the answer which is there. that is 6 marks wala question. Now 4 marks wala question is coming, that is theory or whatever it is there. So it is theory question, like why is goodwill considered to be an intangible asset and not fictitious asset. So whatever your answer is there, here it is clearly written, type your answer 1, and you just have to write this blue whatever answer is there. Formatting and all everything will be provided beforehand only. You just have to enter 2 lines and your answer will be over. Okay, likewise 4 questions are there, 1 mark each, so 2 lines you have to write and it is over. Now the 4a, that is of 7 mark, that is of partnership question. Okay, and there are always choices. You can skip any question if you want, because you can skip 2 questions. You have to solve any 4 out of the 6, and this is the format for all the papers mostly. Okay, सो ऐसा ही रहेगा. व्हाट वी हैव टू सी कि भाई न्यूमेरिकल कैसा आ रहा है, न्यूमेरिकल में क्या क्या बनाना है, थ्योरी कैसा आ रहा है, थ्योरी में क्या क्या बनाना है, राइट. आइडिया वही लेना है. अपन ने पढ़ाई तो सेम ही करी है. स्टडी मैट इज 100% सेम, सिलेबस इज 100% सेम. इट्स जस्ट लाइक वी नीड टू नो द फॉर्मेट. न्यूमेरिकल आ रहा है तो क्या क्या करना है, थ्योरी आ रहा है तो क्या क्या करना है. सो नाउ द पार्टनरशिप क्वेश्चन इज देयर. सो type your answer. This will be provided by the institute. Even the institute is writing that in the books of partnership form of alpha, beta and gamma, journal entries it should be there. Journal entries should be there. And then date will also be provided by the institute. The column particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. So you just have to give the entry like realization account debit to bank account. You have to write realization account debit to bank account, and you have to write the narration being settlement of creditors liability. So in short, the blue part which is there needs to be written by the candidate. Rest all the formatting, the columns and all, everything will be provided by the institute. I again request, if you have any suggestions, you can surely put it in the comment box. Again, the question is there of 3 marks, that was of 7 marks. Again 10 marks question are there. They are divided into some 6 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks, 3 marks, as the case may be. So this is, I think, theory question. So yes, type your answer. Whatever your answer is there, you have to type in blue. The format and all will be provided by the institute. Now this question 5a is of numerical. So whatever the things are required to be calculated, for example, compute closing stock. So the format will be provided that the computation of closing stock in units, particulars, X, Y, Z. You just have to write opening stock, whatever the amount is there, you will add purchases, you will less the units sold, and whatever will come will be the closing stock. So main thing is the formatting and all is there. You just have to write this blue wala part. Many were thinking that ये पूरा का पूरा बनाना है क्या, तो पूरा का पूरा नहीं बनाना है, बस ब्लू में जितना है उतना लिखना है. Like you are computing the sale proceeds and gross profit ratio. So everything, particular units, rate and amount will be given, and you just have to write the content of it, that department X, Y, Z, whatever is there, and the units and the rate and the amount. That's it. Here also it is already rate in rupees, so you can avoid writing rupees also here. Directly तुम लिख सकते हो 220, 22.5, 25.5. अगर यहाँ नहीं रहा तो you have to write rupees, but I don't think इतना rupees लिखने को institute लगाएंगी. Here also you can see amount in rupees is there, तो directly 20,000, 45,000, just numbers you have to type and a little description. And the working note, इफ यू हैव सम वर्किंग नोट्स, और या आपको कुछ कमेंट देना है, कुछ आपने एजम्पशन लिया, तो यू कैन राइट द जीपी रेशियो इज द सेम फॉर ऑल डिपार्टमेंट एज इट इज गिवन. इफ यू फील सो यू कैन राइट एंड शुड फॉर्म अ पार्ट. अपन ऑफलाइन में लिखते थे ना, इट इज एज्यूम्ड दैट द प्रॉफिट इज ऑन दिस or whatever is there. So whatever assumptions are there, the space will be given working note. So here you can write the assumption. In MCQs there was no option. If MCQ है A, B, C, D, some questions might be there जिसका आंसर B भी रहेगा, जिसका आंसर C भी रहेगा, but MCQ है, B टिक कर दिया, खत्म बात. But here if you are giving answer C, या if you are giving answer 200, you can justify it by giving your working notes that yes, ये 200 इसलिए आया क्योंकि मैंने इसका ये एडजस्टमेंट लिया, इसका ऐसा किया है. So this is the thing. And again the same is there, the formats are there, you just have to put the amount. Here also I would request that if you write rupees, means if the institute writes rupees in the selling price only, as they will write, it will help. Here also cost in rupees if they write, profit also in rupees if they write, then student just have to type 20, 22.5, 25, 4, 4.55, and it will go on. And whatever the working note are there, ये कैसा आया, तो you can write everywhere, everything you are calculating, you are given a space to write working note, which will help the examiner to evaluate or think कि आपने क्या assumption लेके solve किया है. And yes, so this is it. Now 2 marks question and all are there. I was making this video just to make you aware कि theory आ रहा है तो कैसा करना है, numerical आ रहा है तो कैसा करना है. If theory is coming, you just have to write whatever is there, whatever the answer is there in 4-5 lines, because I don't see any theory question of 8 marks or 10 marks as of now. So छोटा छोटा question है तो 4-5 line लिखना है, right? Now this question is of 6 marks. It is of AS9 revenue recognition. So yes, you have to type the answer, whatever is there, but I think 2-3 points are there. Now the significance of computerized accounting system, like short notes we were having of 4 marks. Yes, it is there. You have to type the 4-5 points, whatever are there. Now one more question is there. It's same revaluation account, debit, credit, rupees, amount, everything is there. You just have to write to whatever is there by and the amount and whatever your working note is there. So the syllabus is same. I just am making this video to reduce a little panic, anxiety which is there among the students. And yes, if you have any question or any suggestion, feel free to comment in the comment box. Don't start directly criticizing me. I am just here to decode the paper to help you to perform better in the examination, right? Now you are required to write short notes on any 4 out of 5, whatever is there. So any 4 short notes जो पहले थे, it is there. Is it clear? And now section D is there. This is the new thing which is introduced in accounts. I don't know, but in finals and all I saw. So actually they are giving case study, which is good. Means real knowledge will be evaluated, but provided if they give some booklet of 10-20 case studies, then the student will be in a better position, because never we have seen the case study in the study mat and all. So you have to basically apply the concept. So this is the new thing, 10 into 2. 10 marks question is there, one, and again one question will be there of 10 marks, and likewise 20 marks question will be there. This is mostly case study type question. In the finals they are 100% case studies, and in intermediate also they have given, means they are giving some description what's happening and all, and then they are asking you prepare the trading account. Every format will be given, you just have to put the amount, that's it. If any working note is there or any formula you used, you have to give it in the working note. Prepare the memorandum, everything will be there. You just have to type these things, rupees and all, everything will be there. So yes, this is it. If you have any suggestions or any queries, definitely you can post it in the comments, and surely I will take up with the institute if there are some concrete suggestions or whatever your feelings or thoughts are there. Yes, so this is the new 10 into 220. 40 marks MCQs are there, and in between जो है that I told you very clearly. So yes, this is it. मतलब केस स्टडी भी दिया रहेगा. केस स्टडी के बाद दे विल आस्क यू पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस कि यस compute the subscription for the year 31/3/2021. So now you have to particular, everything will be there, particular rupees and all. You just have to write how you are calculating, what are the things that you are adding, what are the things that you are deducting, and the final amount. That's it. Okay, so ये यहाँ पे ₹15,400, ₹8,400 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just you have to type 8,400, whatever is there. So yes, this is it. If you have any further queries, suggestions, comment box is always open for you all. And please do not panic. My ultimate aim is just to calm you down, just to motivate you that yes, whatever you have studied वो ही आ रहा है. The syllabus is same, the study mat is same, the questions are same, everything is same. It's just like this is the new thing that is introduced. The last 2 questions, 10 into 2, of case study type, most probably case study type, or big questions. In the financial accounts there won't be any case study, but in other subjects there might be case study. So yes, this is it for all. 10 into 2 is always there. 40 marks MCQs are always there. Sometimes it will be true or false, fill in the blanks. In finals, there might be numerical questions also, like bid rate, ask rate, whatever is there in SFM, or in costing, standard costing and all questions of small 1 mark will be there. Some fill in the blanks will be there, some true or false will be there. But yes, it will be very basic, and within seconds you will be able to complete. So this is it. Thank you so much. Take care. All the best. Any suggestions, do let me know in the comment box. Take care. Bye bye.